In this video, I will show you 10 iPhone settings you need to change right now. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. First, it's background security improvements. Keeps your iPhone updated with security fixes automatically. This is separate from the regular iOS software updates. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down and tap Background Security Improvements. Make sure it's turned on. 2. Personalized ads, Apple advertising. This reduces tracking for ads inside Apple services. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Apple advertising, and turn off personalized ads. 3. Background app refresh. This stops apps from refreshing in the background and saves battery. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, and make sure it's turned off. 4. Raise to wake. This prevents your screen from turning on every time you lift your phone. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Raise to wake. Make sure it's turned off. 5. Stolen device protection. This adds extra security if your iPhone is ever stolen. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, Stolen device protection. 6. Wired accessory settings. Prevents unknown or new wired devices from connecting when your iPhone is locked. To turn on, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down and tap Wired Accessories, then choose Ask for New Accessories. 7. Hide IP address, Safari. This prevents websites from tracking your IP address. Go to Settings, Safari, Hide IP address, then choose Trackers and Websites. 8. NameDrop. Turn it off to prevent your iPhone from sharing contact info or sending photos when other iPhones are near it. Go to Settings, General, AirDrop, Bringing devices together. 9. Keyboard Haptics. Adds vibration feedback when typing. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Keyboard Feedback, Haptics. 10. Attention-aware features. Your iPhone detects when you're looking at it and adjusts behavior. For example, it will lower the volume when an alarm is set off and you are looking at the phone. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and turn on Attention-aware features. That's it for this video. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on more videos like this.